Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a more in-depth look and review at the Jambo phone and just all the things you can do with it and what's possible with this phone. So first and foremost, I just want to let you know that I got the phone, but I do not actually use it for like phone calls or anything like that. I've seen some people say that, they've gotten SIM cards for it and they've had great luck with it. I've seen other people saying that it doesn't work in their country yet, so I don't know about that aspect of it. What I mainly got this phone for was just to get online and mess around with all the crypto stuff and for airdrops. So if that's what you're here for and you're all about, then rock and roll. Let's get into this, right? So here's the phone itself though. Pretty cool, nice and sleek. I got the gold one, comes with its own case, right? Also came preloaded with a bunch of different apps. I deleted some off of here, but like had the Petra wallet backpack on there, right? A couple games and stuff like that. I added my own stuff on here. The other big thing people ask about though is the camera, like how are the photos, and the camera itself really isn't too bad. I mean, as you can see, it can still take pretty good pictures. This one, does what it needs to do, so I can't complain too much. And then the Jambo app. So when you get onto the Jambo app, first and foremost, you'll go right to profile. And you're going to want to link your Jambo phone. That's huge because with the airdrops, your phone, they're going to want to send it to your wallet. You want to have it linked, right? Just do that shit. Then you'll have a referral code that you can share with friends and stuff right there. There's mine if you want to use it. That'd be pretty cool. Then the other thing I really like is if you need help. So this is how you get a hold of their feedback. They added this stuff here so you can like watch all these like different like little tutorials, which is neat. And then if you need to send them feedback, super simple. Just tell them, hey, here's what's going on. If you have screenshots, do that. And this isn't some like bullshitty thing. That is the one thing I do have to say about the Jambo team is their response is like they're on it. They are usually on that within 24 hours, 48 hours latest, but they do not screw around. Mad credit to that team for doing what they're doing, especially with this app still in its infancy. As far as I'm concerned, they're doing a great job. So head over to wallet. That's the next big thing, right? So with wallet, you can see your coin balance here, and they're always adding new tokens, which is pretty neat. Right here, for example, you can see your history too. Any kind of history, any kind of transactions you've done. And just so you know that they're not bogus with their rewards, they are serious. I've claimed all this. This was an airdrop, and then all this from rewards. Well, this was aptos I just sent to myself, so not this. I just did like a test run. But that was an airdrop they did as a test. This was rewards I've claimed, so that's not bogus. That is actually for real. You can send stuff to yourself right now. It is a little buggy, so you're going to want to use test amounts because, like I said, the app still is in its infancy, right? So up here, you can see your current balance too. Shows you everything you need to know. Head back over a meow. And then the big thing is like rewards, right? So first and foremost, Jambo points. You always get those. And I'm just earning them right now, but it looks like they're going to be doing stuff with the Jambo points pretty soon. Because when you first got the app, they kind of showed like different levels, like bronze tier. So I don't know if they're still going to do that yet or not. I'm wondering what they're going to do, but as of right now, it's just earn those points, baby, right? Get what you can. Points are good, right? And then over here, it'll show how much you can claim, and you'll head over to claim rewards. So this is how much I can claim right now. This is how much I've earned so far. And like, this is huge because the price of the phone altogether with shipping was like $130. So I've basically made back how much my phone cost. And like in another week or two, I'll have it paid off. And then after that, all the airdrops are just stimmies for life. So down here too, if there's any rewards that you've submitted, it'll let you know. Any rewards you've been paid for, it checks them off. So you can keep track of all your stuff down here. When you do have a claimable balance, it'll show you. And then all you'll do is you'll just head over here and then you'll just choose like what you want to send. Super, super easy. You can pick like USDC, right? And then pick your amount, whatever. It is on the Ethereum blockchain. You are going to have to pay a little gas. That's why I always like to leave a little bit in. And my advice is that if you do, earn some money on this, wait till you have like a nice amount, like $50 or higher, because after gas fees and everything, you're going to probably end up losing like $3 to $4. So wait till you have a nice amount to claim. Try to do it all in one lump sum, They also have, notifications up here that will let you know when your rewards have gone through. So that's basically all your stuff with the Jambo rewards and everything like that, right? So then we can head over here to play, because this is where you're going to be doing all your earnings, and you can do your daily check-in too. I make sure to try to do this every day, and this is where you can find all the different DeFi apps and stuff like that, and like games that you can like interact with. So let's go check them out. So here you can see like all the different apps and stuff that they're affiliated with. everything they have, all the different games. Galks, we all know that's like a huge one if you're in airdrops. Web3 games, crypto-based games. You can see these ones right here, which have like the $sign and the point signs. You can get quests, like these are your quests you earn, and it shows you, tells you everything you have to do. If you click on each one, it'll kind of give you like a rundown on each quest, like the different requirements for them. Some of them are super easy, some of them are like a little in-depth. It can be as easy as, you know, tweet something and take a picture of it, and then it can be as in-depth as like make a video. All in all, it is pretty easy, and this is where you're going to be earning a majority of your quests, is on the Jambo app. They're always uploading new ones, they're always restarting ones, because certain times they'll fill up and they won't be available. They'll be gray like this, but the next thing you know, they'll have more slots available, and then you'll be good to go. So you just constantly want to stay on top of this. They're always updating it, always adding on new stuff. I highly suggest that if you have one of these, that you should definitely jump into their Telegram. You know, you can voice any concerns you have there. They usually get back to you as quick as they can. You have to understand they're on different hours than everybody else. It's like I said, this app is in its infancy, so you're going to be running into like different issues here and there. The only cons I would say that I have with it is that, you know, is that you're going to run into bugs. Have I had issues with this? Yes. You know, I've had a couple issues where I wasn't able to transfer out crypto, but it usually was taken care of within like 48 hours. It was something dumb or something buggy. I've had issues where I've turned in quests and they've gotten rejected, but that's usually 9 out of 10 times because I was an idiot and forgot to post the right link or forgot to put the right stuff in the post. So it's as easy as you just go back and you fix it and you resubmit it. I think maybe one time I submitted a quest. It was sent back even though I did everything right, but that was because they were going through some bugs and stuff. So I'm not going to hate on that. We're still early on this, so if you don't mind that a lot of this stuff is in beta, then like, yeah, it's not bad. And I mean, you know, for the price of $130, again, it really isn't too bad at all. You're making your money back. So should you buy this phone? Yeah. If you have the money to mess with, you know, if you've been playing around with airdrops for a while, the quests are constantly refreshing, so you still have a chance to jump on the quest. They're super easy, and a lot of the quests that require you to buy crypto and everything, you can just like use your funds that you got here, which is great because you're interacting with more stuff in the Aptos ecosystem, and you're opening yourself up for opportunities for other airdrops as well, possibly. So all in all, I'd say this phone is a go. So definitely check it out. Definitely give them a follow on Twitter if you haven't, so you can stay up to date on everything they're doing. Definitely jump in their Telegram. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you watched the video. Look below. I've got all kind of links, stuff that I'm messing around with on airdrops, my socials and stuff, and also the link for the Jambo app in case you want to download it on your phone. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you definitely use that code if you get a Jambo phone, and I'll see you guys next time.
Make it.